In this quick video, I want to show you how to remove the top lid on the dirty tank container on any Bissell portable carpet cleaner. Now this is the SpotClean Pro, but you might have a different model. Now of course you see this little unlock button here, or unlock icons here. So if the handle is all the way flush to the front, you can't move it. That means it's locked. So what you have to do is you have to pull this handle up. Now some of the Bissells right here at a parallel angle to the cleaner itself. Sometimes you pop it up there, you'll see a groove. However, with this particular model, the SpotClean Pro, you have to go all the way over, and actually you have to go through this hump, and through the manufacturing design, it doesn't make it easy, so you don't realize you're trying to take it off now and you can't. So you have to force it with your thumbs to go over this and then go down, and that will remove it. So I hope that little tip helped. On the very end of this video here, I want to show you how to operate the SpotClean Pro or any portable Bissell carpet cleaner. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.